Business is going great. With the new machine and the new tool setup, what could possibly go wrong? Mistakes do happen, and they can cost you. These are just a few examples of waste caused by crashes, broken tools, or unplanned maintenance. Regardless of the number of machines and type of production, with a process control system, you can avoid issues like that. You will also be notified when to perform maintenance of spindle and slides, and you'll increase the overall in-cut process security. Machining processes generate physical characteristics, which are detected by a sensor or by reading the drive values. The sensor signals are filtered and amplified, and the resulting numbers are compared with limits in real time. A deviation to those limits generates an alarm and initiates actions within just a few milliseconds. When choosing CoroPlus ProcessControl, you receive technical consultancy, the sensors and hardware needed for your machine setup, installation and support. Optimize your process security for increased profitability. Explore CoroPlus.Sandvik Coromant.